Class 2-3R. Hi everyone, my name is Jessie. First, I introduce about the reduce. The word reduce means if you reduce something, your size make smaller or is less than, or its economy. For politics of polarity that reduces most important things for our life. So let's act. For example, don't turn the heater over the 26 degrees Celsius, turn off the light, and also we should use coal less and walk or bike. Water is very important thing for our life. Our Earth is covered 70% of water, but fresh water is only 3%. But nowadays, just less than 1% is alive. Paper and wood is important too. These things make air clean and fresh, but we use too much and we destroy the mountains. The reason of destroy the mountains, we use too much papers and tissues. So we need to take care of the mountains and use less them. Then next I introduce about reuse. Many people throw their old things and buy new ones, but that is not good for environment and human. So we need to use rechargeable batteries for MP3 player, cell phone, and digital camera. When we go to supermarket, we take our own bags instead of using plastic bags. If you using plastic bag, you can use only 5 minutes, but it can take 500 years for rot. So we need to use less plastic bag. We can do many things for reduce trash. For example, we can make pencil case for tissue case, and we can make toy robot for many milk case, and we can make sweet smell for peel of fruit or coffee ground, and we can make decoration for many cups of bottle. Thank you for listening.